Across SOSV, our programs are founder-centered and deeply resourced. They focus on two broad areas. First, revolutionary technological innovation to advance human and planetary health. Second, breakthrough startups aiming for global scale by expanding across emerging and frontier markets. Our cohorts are small, intimate, and immersive, with daily hands-on interaction and coaching, and a 1-to-2 staff-to-founder ratio. SOSV's HACS program is the world's leading hard tech startup development program. HACS helps founders launch hard tech-oriented companies in areas like Industry 4.0, decarbonization, healthcare, robotics, and IoT. HACS has locations in Newark, Shenzhen, Tokyo, and San Francisco. SOSV's IndieBio is the world's leading climate and health startup development program, the place for founders with startups ranging from bioreactors to therapeutics to alternative proteins. IndieBio has locations in New York City and San Francisco. SOSV's Orbit Startups is a virtual and in-person program for breakthrough startups in emerging and frontier markets, where there are opportunities for aggressive growth. Orbit Startups has staff, locations, and programs in India, Taipei, Shanghai, Korea, Europe, and the Americas. And at SOSV's latest program, dlab, we are accelerating decentralization, fostering new players in the rapidly expanding blockchain ecosystem. Most of our programs last 4 to 6 months and culminate in a demo day, attended in person or virtually by hundreds of investors. But that's just the beginning. Then, founders join the incredibly diverse and supportive SOSV alumni family. And SOSV continues to work closely with alumni to find the right investors and advisors as their companies grow.